Welcome to our professional training on email netiquette for admin staff. This session will focus on enhancing your business writing skills to meet professional standards at B2 English level. We'll cover clear communication techniques, professional email structures, and essential business etiquette that will help you represent your organization effectively through written correspondence. The video playing demonstrates. Let's review our learning objectives for this training. First, you'll master the professional email structure, understanding each component from subject lines to closings. Second, you'll learn to apply appropriate language registers, knowing when to use formal versus informal tones. Third, we'll practice core email etiquette rules, including response timing and proper CC/BCC usage. Finally, you'll develop skills for clear, effective communication that achieves business objectives while maintaining professional relationships. What exactly is email netiquette? It's the set of rules and best practices for professional workplace email communication. This matters because proper netiquette builds credibility, prevents miscommunication, enhances efficiency, and reflects your organization's professionalism. The image shows how clear, respectful communication forms the foundation of effective business correspondence. Remember, every email you send represents both you and your company. Now, let's examine email structure fundamentals. A professional email includes 4 key components. First, a clear subject line summarizing the content. Second, an appropriate greeting based on formality. Third, a well-structured body with clear purpose and action items. Finally, a professional closing with your name and contact information. The example shows how these elements work together to create effective business communication. Subject lines deserve special attention. Follow these best practices. Be specific by including key details and purpose. Keep it concise. Aim for 6 to 10 words. Use action words when appropriate. Avoid all caps, which appears aggressive. Compare these examples. Meeting request, budget review, March 15th is effective, while urgent. Need to talk is problematic. Good subject lines immediately communicate importance and content. Professional greetings set the tone for your email. Use formal greetings like Dear Mr. Smith for external contacts or when you don't know the name. Semi-formal greetings like Dear Team work for internal communications. Key tips. Always use appropriate titles. Consider the recipient's time zone for time-based greetings and adjust formality based on your relationship with the recipient. The greeting is your first impression. Make it count. The email body requires strategic writing. Maintain clear structure with one idea per paragraph and short paragraphs. Use professional tone with polite language, avoiding contractions in formal emails. Be concise. Get to the point quickly using active voice. Pro tip: use bullet points for lists and action items to improve readability. Remember, busy professionals appreciate emails that respect their time while communicating effectively. Professional closings complete your email effectively. Formal closings like sincerely work for external communications, while kind regards suits internal emails. Your signature should include name, title, company, and essential contact information. Keep it concise and consistent across all emails. A well-crafted closing leaves a positive final impression and makes follow-up easy for the recipient.